A very good morning, children. Welcome back to online session of subject mathematics of 7th class. Hope you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So in the previous class we have started the exercise 3 of multiplication of fractions. Is it right, children? So we are doing the some of the word problems regarding the multiplication of fractions. So in this word problems, daily life situations also coming. Okay, so we are experiencing that one. So today we shall and also I think so you have done the homework which I have given in the yesterday's class. Is it right, children? So in the yesterday's class I have given some of the fractions. So find the fraction which is greater and which is smaller. So which is greater I have given 4 by 7 of 1 by 3. 2 by 5 of 9 by 12, like that I think so you have done. So you can if you want to check the answers, you can check, children. So first of all I have given which is greater 4 by 7 into 1 by 3 or 2 by 5 into 9 by 12. So which is greater, like that I have given this answer. So you can recheck the solution. Okay, solution is first half means into you are supposed to keep. So first numerator into numerator, 4 into 1 4 by 7 3s 21, or next 2 9s 18 by 5 12s 12 5s 60. So is there any cancellation here? 4 by 21. So in the 4 table 21 won't go. Okay, but 18 16. So here see, children, so is 8 0. So both will be going in the which table? 3 table they will be going. So 3 table or 2 table. So 3 6 18, 3 3 2 6 0, 3 2 6 0. So 6 by 20. So again 2 3 6 2 2 tens 20, 2 tens 20. That is 3 by 10. Okay. So this answer is 3 by 10. Okay. So this is 4 by 21. This is 3 by 10. So which is greater, children, here? So check the denominator. Which is the greater denominator? So 21 is greater denominator actually. So that means this is small number. So that means here 10 is small number. So 3 by 10 is a greater. 3 by 10 is a greater in this problem. Okay. I think so you have understood this one. Okay. So this is the answer. So if you got 3 by 10, well and good. If you written this one means you can check it. You can cross check again. So next one more problem I have given. So what is the one more problem? Next 11 by 2 into 1 by 6 or 3 1 by 5 into 8 2 by 3. Okay, like this I have given. Okay, see first solution. Okay, solution 11 into 1 11 by 2 6 12, or next 3 1 by 5 means here first you have to change into improper fraction. So 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16 by 5 into 3 8s 24, 24 2s 3 8s 24, 24 plus 2 26 by 3. So this is answer. So 11 by 12, or again do multiplication 16 into 26. Is there any cancellation? No. 16 into 26. So 26 into 16. So 6 6 36. Next 6 2s 12 plus 3 15. Okay. Next 1 6 6 1 2s 2 6 5 6 11. So 2 3 4. So 4 16 is the answer. 4 1 6 by 5 3 is 15. So these are the two numbers. So check the denominators. So 12 and 15. Which is smaller numerator for smaller denominator? So 12 is a smaller number. So that's why this is a greater number. So 11 by 12. That means so 11 by 12. 11 by 2 into 1 by 6 is a greater fraction. So 11 by 12 is a greater. So obviously 416 by 15 is a smaller fraction. Okay. So like this you are supposed to do this answer. Okay. So next one more homework problem I have given, that is word problem, I think so. Okay. Raja works for 3 1/4 hours per day to complete his work. So so he has completed within 10 days whatever the work he was doing every day for 3 1/4 hours. So he completed that work in 10 days. So in the 10 days, how many hours he has completed means. So first, what is the how you should write the solution? So first step, time spent by Raja for each day to complete the time spent by Raja for each day. So that is 3 1/4 hours. 3 1/4 hours. 3 1/4 hours. Okay, first you write like that only. Next, number of days, the work completed in number of days, that is 10 days. That is 10 days. So what he asked? So time spent by Raja within 10 days. Next step is time spent by Raja in 10 days is equals to 10 into 3 1/4 hours. Is it right, children? So 10 into 3 1/4 hours. So first 10 into 3 1/4 change into convert into improper fraction. 4 3s 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4. Okay. So 10 into 13/4. 10 into 13 is 130. 130 by 4. Okay. So 130/4 both will be going in the 2 table. So cancellation should be done. Okay. 130/4. 2 2s 4. 2 first 13 means 2 6 12. Next 1 will be left over here. 12 after 13. 1 will be left over. 1 and 0. So 10. So 2 5 is 10. So 65/2. So what is the answer here? 65/2. So 65/2 means how many hours? So convert into again mixed fraction. So 65 divided by 2. So first take one number. Okay. 2 3s 6 0. Next 5. 2 2s 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So write down here whatever the quotient you got, that one as a whole number. Next whatever the remainder you got, that one as a numerator, and denominator will be the divisor. So 32 1/2 hours he will spend. So in the 10 days he spent 32 1/2 hours. 32 and a half hours he spent for completing his work. So like that, yeah. This is a final answer for the word problem in the homework. Not this one. Okay. So if you got this one, well and good. If you didn't got, you check where you have done the mistake. Okay. So this is about homework problems. So now we shall go with the today's some more word problems. Okay, children. So here see, children, sixth one. So yesterday up to 5 completed. So sixth one. See, Raja walks 1.5 meters in 1 second. So 1 second means if you close your eyes and if you open your eyes, that is 1 second. So within a fraction of second. So that means within a fraction of second he walks 1.5 meters. It seems 1.5 meters means 1 meter means how much? So one long scale. If you go to costume shop, if you go to dress shop, there 1 meter scale will be. So that means that much distance. Not only 1 meter, 1.5 meter. So this is he is stepping his legs very far. So in 1 second he is walking 1.5 meters it seems. So how much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? So 15 minutes. So in 1 second, if he walks 1.5 meters means in 15 minutes how much distance he will walk it, that one we should find out. Okay. So first what we have to write? Distance covered by Raja in 1 second. 1 second. So how much distance he covered, children? 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters. So he covered in 1 second 1.5 meters. So distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes. He is asking in 15 minutes. Is we don't know that one. Okay, so let it be X. We don't know, so let that answer will be X. First, here see these two units. So 1 second is a, here 15 minutes is a. That means these two are different units. So first of all, we should make these two into same units. We should make these two into same units. That means here in seconds he was given. So in 1 second that person is walking 1.5 meters. So every time you should take into the unitary method. You should follow the unitary method. So this one is correct only. So here 15 minutes is there. So minutes you should convert into seconds. So first 15 minutes you should convert into seconds. Okay, 15 minutes means 15 into 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Okay children, I think so you are understanding. So 15 into 60. So here I will be writing. So 15 into 60 seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, so 15 into 60. 15 6 are 90. Here 0. So 900 seconds. So we have converted 15 minutes into seconds. So what is the answer? So 900 seconds. So distance covered by Raja in 900 seconds is equals to how much? Now we can easily find out. So how you should write? So in 1 second 1.5 meters. So in 900 seconds how many meters? So let X. So do cross multiplication. So 1 into X, that is X is equals to 900 into 1.5. 900 into 1.5. So 900 into 1 by 2. So you convert this into improper fraction. 900 into 2 ones. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. So 900 into 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 2 into 900 and 2. They will be getting cancelled. So 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 fours 8. So 900 by 2. So you can do here also. 900 divided by 2, like this also you can do. So take one digit. So 2 fours 8. 9 minus 8 1. So take another digit 10. So 2 fives 10. Okay, 0. Take another number 0. So 2 zeros 0. Okay, 0 is a remainder. Okay, so what is the quotient? 450. So here what is the answer? 450. So 450 into 3. What is 450 into 3? 450 into 3. So 3 zeros 0. 3 fives 15. 1 will be there. 3 fours 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 1 3 5 0. So in the 15 minutes, that means in 900 seconds he will be walking 1350 meters it seems. So exactly 1350 meters he will be walking. Okay, so like this you are supposed to find out the result. Okay, so finally what you should write? Distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes is 1350 meters. Okay, so this is direct number, so no need to convert into any another fractions. So like this you are supposed to do. Okay, so the next problem. So what is the next problem we shall see? Seventh one. Seventh one. Provide the number. Provide the number in the box. In the box this box to make the statement true. To make the statement true. To make the statement true. So what type of number you are supposed to take and you have to do. So first one, 2 by 3 into box is equal to 20 by 21. 2 by 3 into box is equals to 20 by 21. Okay. So here see children, provide the number in the box. In this box you should provide the number to make the statement true. So here answer he won't be given. So now you are supposed to provide one number. So here this one you are supposed to find. So what you will do here, that is your wish. Okay. So you should get this answer. So whatever the 2 by 3 into whatever the answer you are writing, that should be equals to 20 by 21. So this is the question solution. How you should do? First, 2 by 3 into, we don't know this one. So we have to find this one. So let it be x. So just write x like this, because into we are writing like this now. So once again, if you keep x like this, means there will be two x's same like this. So try to write like this. Okay, like this you keep. Okay, 2 into x is equals to 20 by 21. So how you should do? So here 2 by 3 into x is 20 by 21. So 2 by 3 into x means, so numerator into numerator, 2x by 3. Can I write like this? Because x means x by 1. So 2 into x by 3 into 1. So that is 2x by 3 into 21. So 20 by 21. Okay. Now send this 3 that side. Okay. So here 3 is dividing. So if it goes that side, means it will multiply. So 2x is equals to 20 into 3 by 21. So here 2 is multiplying. 2 is multiplying with the x. So if it goes to RHS part, means it will divide. So x is equals to 20 into 3 by 21 into 2. So 2 by 3, after going to the RHS part, it became 3 by 2. So next, I think so you have understood this one. So 2x by 3 equals to 20 by 21. Here 3 is dividing with the 2x. So if it goes to RHS part, it will multiply. Where? In the numerator. So the denominator in the LHS part, if it goes to RHS part, means it will multiply with the numerator one. Okay. So whatever the numerator number, it is multiplying with the x. So after going to RHS part, it will divide with, it will multiply with the denominator. It will multiply with the denominator. That means this 2, it will go to the denominator of RHS part. Okay. So like this, 20 into 3 by 21 into 2. Okay. So here what we got, x is equals to 20 into 3 by 21 into 2. Okay. So does 21 goes in 3 table? Yes. 3 ones, 3 sevens is 21. Next, in 2 table 20 will go or not? Yes. 2 ones, 2 tens. So what is the answer here we got? 10 by 7. So what is x? X is equals to 10 by 7. So we got x is equals to 10 by 7. Okay. Now for this problem, for this type of, if you are finding x, means you are supposed to write the check method. Okay. Check or verify. Okay. So check means put x equals to 10 by 7 in here. 2 by 3 into x is equals to 20 by 21. Okay. That implies, so 2 by 3 into x means 10 by 7 is equals to 20 by 21. here LHS should be equals to RHS. So 2 into 10 is 20. 7 into 3 is 21 is equals to 20 by 21. So LHS is therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So x is equals to 10 by 7 is a correct answer, is a correct result. Like that you are supposed to end this answer. I think so you are understood this one. Is it right, children? So like this you are supposed to do. Next problem we shall see. Okay. So check is very important for these problems. Okay. If any problem is given as a to find x, to find a unknown answer. So for this problem you should do x. Then is put x equals to 10 by 7 in this problem. So that if LHS and RHS both are equal, then whatever you got x equals to 10 by 7, that is correct. Suppose here LHS is not equals to RHS, means somewhere you have done here wrong. Okay. So in this only you have done somewhere wrong. Okay. So again you should check the steps clearly. Okay. So this is the answer. So next, in this only second one we shall see. B problem. 5 by 7 into box by 5 is equals to 3 by box. Okay. Here two boxes are there. Here two boxes are there. So that means in the previous problem only one box is there, but here two boxes are there. So we are supposed to find here two boxes. So what are the two boxes we have to find? So first, so 5 by 7 is there. So we should change it to that side. So let this to be x. Okay. First, 5 into x by 7 into 5 is equals to 3 by x. This is also let it be x. Okay. So here next, 7 into 5x. Numerator 5 into x, 5x. 7 5 35 is equals to 3 by x. 3 by x. Okay. So here what you should do? In 5, okay. So send this x to this side. It will multiply 5x into x by 35 is equals to, okay, is equals to 3. Is it right, children? Now send this 35 to that side. Okay. So 5x into x is equals to 3 into 35. Okay. So the next step, send this 5 to this side. Okay. What it will come? So x into x is equals to 3 into 35 by 5. So here 5 is multiplying. If it goes to RHS means it will divide. Okay. So now see any cancellation will go. So 35 and 5. So in the 5 table 35 will go. When 5 ones, 5 sevens 35. Is it right, children? So x into x. Just a minute. Okay, so here what we got, x into x is equals to 3 into 7 is 21. 3 into 7 is 21. Is it right, children? So x into x is equals to 21. We can write as 3 into 7. Is it right? So here one x is 3, another x is 7. So if you take x as a 3 and 7, that is correct. So therefore x is equals to 3 comma 7. 3 or 7 it might be. Okay. So either 3 or 7. If you keep 3 or 7 also, the answer will be correct. Suppose if you keep 3 means what will happen? So 5 will get cancelled. So 3 by 7. Okay, here also what will come? So 3 will be coming. So here 7 will be coming. So here one answer should be 3 comma 7. Okay, in one box 3, in another box is 7. Okay, like that. Okay, not only one. So you should take on two results you should take. So in one box you should take first one. So what is first one? 3. In another box 7. So then only your answer will be correct. So 3 comma 7 is the answer. I think so you have understood. Okay. So now check. If you check means what will come? So put x equals to 3 comma 7 in 5 by 7 into x by 5 is equals to 3 by x. So that implies 5 by 7 into, in one x you should take 3, in another 5 is equals to 3 by, in another x 7. Okay, 5 will get cancelled. So what is the result? 3 by 7 is equals to 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is equals to 3 by 7. So LHS is equals to RHS. So what you should write? X is equals to 3 comma 7 is a correct answer, correct result. So like this you are supposed to end this answer. I hope you are understood this one. Okay. So with this exercise is completed. So now I will give you some homework problems, children, regarding these problems only. Okay. So try to do them in your home. First, A problem. Sidhu walks 4.5 meters in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds, how much distance will he walks in 20 minutes? In 20 minutes. Okay. So this is the first question. So next B question. Provide the numbers in the box. This box, and check the result. First one. In this first one is 3 by 7 into box is equals to 15 by 16. Into 15. Okay. So this one. Next, second one. 9 by 13 into box is equals to, okay, box into 9 by 13 is equals to 27, 50, 40, These are the problems, children. So these are the two problems. So try to do them as a homework. I think so very easy problems only. So in the next class we shall come with the divisions of the fractions. So with this multiplication of fractions is completed. Now in the next class divisions of fractions we shall be seeing in the next class. Okay. Thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.